So take a look at this incredible video out of New York State. Strong winds created some huge waves on Lake Erie in the Buffalo area. Winds yesterday, we thought they were bad here, folks. They were even worse over there. They hit at least 70 miles per hour. Trees, power lines, grass near the lake were all encased in a thick layer of ice from the constant waves. The feels-like temperature was below zero. Yikes.
And check these icicles out in St. Joseph, Michigan. You can see ice formed on these trees and shrubs. The National Weather Service issued a winter storm warning for that area yesterday. Forecasters warned people to watch out if they hit the roads because of blowing and drifting snow in addition to the ice.
I love these stories because it always brings perspective. It could always be worse.
Yeah,
you know?
You're right, Ryan.
Because people, it's cold here, obviously. We're in the mid-40s right now, but you mentioned, what, below zero?
Yeah.
On some of those air temperatures.
But they're built for that. If that happened here in San Antonio, everybody would be home, the roads would be closed.
Schools canceled.
The fast food joints would be closed.
Restaurants done.
We'd just be done. The year would be over.
I wonder what you'd even wear to prepare for weather like that.
5 different layers.
Yeah. Face mask.
Yeah. Earmuffs, because that's when it gets to the point when the winds travel that fast and it creates wind chills below zero. The exterior, your extremities are the first to.
Yeah, and that's
really
something that you don't really
impacted.
think about. I mean, obviously here in South Texas, we never have to deal with that, but that would hurt.